There are more trends in cleaning vegetables and fresh produce. Everybody knows that there's been some outbreaks of salmonella and other organisms, parasitic acid, and other types of veggie washes, chlorine, will clean lettuce, tomatoes, and fruit skins. We do have test kits to make sure that you can test effective levels for those chemicals.
When you have dust on electrical installations, it actually becomes a fire hazard. So in case you have an electrical failure, it spreads like in gunpowder if you have loads of dust. So we have carbon fiber poles, they're very light, and the rigidness of the poles makes it possible to stack them very high. So you could actually go like 45 feet up in the air and do vacuuming. And this not only makes it safer, but it actually makes cleaning much quicker.